So for example, if you have a circle x square plus y square is equal to 25 and you're asked to find a tangent of slope is equal to 2. You're asked to find a tangent of slope is equal to 2. So how does the diagram look like? You have a circle x square plus y square is equal to 25. You want a tangent of slope 2. Slope 2 means the tangent looks something like this, in this direction. So as the line moves in this direction, you can see that there are two positions where the line becomes tangent to the circle. As the line is moving parallelly, there will be one stage on this side where the tangent is having the slope 2, and as the line moves here, you have one more limiting position here where the tangent is having the slope 2. So you'll have two tangents of any particular slope. So you're asked to find both the tangents. So you can use the concept that you have learned. So let the line be, obviously the slope is given as 2. So I can assume the line to be y is equal to 2x plus some constant. So let the line be y is equal to 2x plus c. Now this has to be a tangent. This has to be a tangent to x square plus y square is equal to 25. So this implies c has to be equal to plus minus r root 1 plus m square. R is 5, root 1 plus 2 square, that is plus r minus 5 root 5. That means for this line to be a tangent to the circle, the constant has to be plus r minus 5 root 5. This implies the required tangents are y is equal to 2x plus minus 5 root 5. Thank you.